Welcome, in front of me is the OPPO A17 and today I will show you how we can boot this phone into Fastboot mode. Now to get started, let's turn it off, so hold power key, select power off, and once the phone turns off you want to hold power and volume up at the same time. And as you can see, this boots us into Fastboot mode. Now to select each one of these options you'll need to use power key, and to actually confirm them, to select them you'll use volume keys. As you can see, there we go. You can access reboot, which takes us back to Android, and recovery mode, which will take us to, well, obviously recovery mode. And that's all we have in here. So I'm gonna stick with reboot, confirm it, and I'm just gonna wait for the device to boot back up. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.